Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more videos like this and other stuff like vlogs. Now, I wanted to do my face white when I did the Cinnamoroll look, because he is white and I wanted to try something different. And I do be seeing people when they do Cinnamoroll and like Hello Kitty and like My Melody, they do their face, and I was like, here, let me do the white face for the one time. So you know, I have a little pink nose, and I put a little pink highlighter on it, and then a little highlight right there. And my lips, this is not lipstick, it's paint. I got my little ears. I got these off Shein or AliExpress, one of those two. If y'all want this makeup look, keep on watching. So after I put on my concealer to prime my eyes, but I should have primed them with white because they would have looked better, because this was a blue eyeshadow but it was looking green next to everything else, because I think everything else had like a white base. So now I'm cutting the crease, but instead of using concealer, I'm using white paint. And then I also like make these two different blue shades. I make like a lighter blue and then kind of like a darker blue, kind of, but not too dark. So there's the light blue I'm talking about, and my light's gonna come back. My ring light is always running out every time I am on camera. But I'm just gonna take the light blue and then I'm gonna take the dark blue, kinda. It's gonna look so cute. This part I'm doing my eyeliner, and I don't really never do my eyeliner, but I'm gonna start doing it more this year. Okay, y'all, so we are ready for the white part, like the face paint part. Like, oh my gosh, I'm nervous because I have not like paint my whole face white. Ooh, I'm not even like, ooh. Y'all, should I do my eyebrows blue? That's what I'm thinking. But should I already done it? I don't know. Like, how do I even do that? The host screen, I might have to change the setting if it like washed me out. But that was just impulse right there. I was thinking about doing my eyebrows, but I think I am gonna do it because But I'm gonna do them blue. I'm just putting them white now because my hair is black. So I don't know if that would be good or not. But I got put in my hair, don't I? Or I don't know. I'm just gonna like, I should start blending it. Okay, I'm probably just gonna speed this part up now. I'm putting the light blue and the dark blue underneath my eyes, and this part is about the details to make the look come together. So I'm taking this blue shade and I'm using it as a blush, and I'm basically like, you know, putting it on the like apples of the cheek or whatever you call it. Now I'm taking a pink shade and putting that on the tip of my nose. And now I'm doing blush, where I usually do blush, but like just on that part. And then I'm putting highlighter, and I put a little highlighter on my nose too. Y'all like the tutorial? I hope it was easy to follow or just easy to look at. But yes, I love it. I'm obsessed. This is the first time I paint my face like all the way like that. But also I painted white, but this is the first time I like painted anything like all the way on my face like that. I'm a cute Cinnamoroll. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe and comment down more what you want from me. Peace.